Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix STAHelper.exe system error on Windows Server. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 11 and other software. So let's start the video. The first method is click on Start button. After that, click here Server Manager option. And click here add role and feature option. After that, click here next button, click here next, click here next, and click here next. No change here, click here next, and after that select here this service, Windows LAN Service. Okay, check this checkbox and click here next button, and after that click here install button. So wait for complete installation. After that, click here close button and restart your Windows server. Restart here, click on start button, click here this option and click here restart option. Restart your Windows server. There must be need to restart your system. After that, re-login on this server. This is the first method. So now we are going for next method. Click here start button. After that, click here search option, and after that type here Windows PowerShell. Windows PowerShell. Okay, PowerShell, SHELL, and click here this option PowerShell. After that, guys, run some command here. This is the first command, get window features. This command I will add in description. Please check there. Copy this command and right click here and press enter from keyboard. Okay, after that available option is displayed here, and after that we are run this second command. Copy this command, okay, and right click here and press enter from keyboard. So as after that restart your server machine. This is the second method, restart your server. Login on your server. So guys, after that check your apps and software is installed or not. So as if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.